So now children, we will discuss about the gaseous exchange, how the gases will be exchanged in the alveoli. Now this is the main part of the lungs where the exchange of gases take place. Gas exchange occur between the alveoli and blood and tissues. So there are two steps of gaseous exchange. First step is the gas will be exchanged between alveoli and blood. Then, then there will be another step of exchange where blood and tissues will exchange the gases. So two steps of exchange of gases will take place. First is alveoli are the major or the primary sites of exchange of gas. Okay, these are the major sites where exchange take place. And another very important point here is that oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged by simple diffusion. Now children, let me tell you what is diffusion. Diffusion is a in which the gases or the liquid particles or even solid particles will move from high concentration to low concentration without the expense of any kind of energy. So here the energy is not spent and the movement is always from high concentration to low concentration, right? This is diffusion. Now see, factors which will influence the gaseous exchange. This is very, very important. Children, gas exchange depends on following factors. First is pressure or concentration gradient. Now children, I hope you understand what is pressure. You have done this word in physics. Pressure is equal to mass upon volume, right? So if the mass is more, pressure will be high, and if the volume is more, pressure will be less. That means we have seen that if the volume is higher and the mass is less, so मैंने बताया था ना कि if there is a room with 50 students and if I transfer you people to a hall, now here the volume has increased but the mass, that is amount of particles, is less, so the pressure has reduced. So if volume increases, pressure will reduce. If mass increases, pressure will increase. Okay, so this is pressure or concentration gradient. Now children, I just told you what is concentration. If there is a room where 50 students are sitting and I call 20 more students to come and sit in that very room or that particular room, now what happens is concentration has increased. Volume has not increased, but the concentration has increased. And gradient means difference. Gradient word here implies difference. So gaseous exchange will take place when there is difference in pressure or difference in concentration. Remember this. Okay. Next point, gaseous exchange will also depend on the solubility of gases. How much soluble are these gases, either in blood or in water or whatever the source is. Next, gaseous exchange will also depend on thickness of the membrane. Okay, thickness of the membrane. And last, surface area of the respiratory membrane, that is lungs.